Hello everyone, myself Naveen. Now we will see one example question related to my previous video. If anyone doesn't watch that video, go and watch that now. The link will be given in the description or you can get it in the iBox. Now we will see that example. If x plus y whole to the power of k is equal to x power 3 into y power 2 and dy by dx is equal to y by x, then k is equal to that. Here the question given is, if x plus y whole to the power of k is equal to x to the power of 3 into y to the power of 2 and dy by dx is equal to y by x, then k is equal to, and we know generalized solution for this, nothing but shortcut. You will get that in my previous video. So go and watch that video now if you haven't watched that video. So if x plus y whole to the power of m plus n is equal to x power m into y power n, then dy by dx is equal to y by x. The above question is similar to this. Here given dy by dx is y by x, he is asking to find as k. As we know, x power m and y power n. Here m is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. So k is directly given as k equal to m plus n, which is 3 plus 2. So k equal to 5. This is the required answer. Now we will see one question related to different integrals. Here the question given is integral cube root of log 3 to cube root of log 4 x square sin x cube divided by sin x cube plus sin of log 12 minus x cube dx. Now we will see how to solve this question. First we will take x cube as t. So differentiating on both sides, we will get 3x square dx is equal to dt. So x square dx can be written as dt by 3. Now we have to find limits for t. Since x cube is equal to t, we have to substitute x limits here, so we will get t limits. So when x is cube root of log 3, then t equal to, here t equal to x cube, so we have to substitute here cube root of log 3 whole cube can be written as log 3 whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. So here 3 will get cancelled out. So we get log 3. Similarly, when x is cube root of log 4, then t equal to cube root of log 4 whole cube can be written as log 4 whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole cube. So we get log 4. Now we substitute x cube is equal to t, and here lower limit and upper limit, and this in the above equation. So we get integral lower limit is log 3 and upper limit is log 4. X square dx can be written as dt by 3 and sin of t, since x cube is equal to t. Similarly, sin t plus sin of log 12 minus t dt by 3. Now we take this 1 by 3 integral log 3 to log 4 sin t by sin t plus sin of log 12 minus t dt. Now we will write it here 1 by 3 integral log 3 to log 4 sin t by sin t plus, here log 12 can be written as sin of log 12 can be written as log 3 plus log 4. You can write it like this, log 12 minus t dt. Since we know here log a plus log b is equal to log ab, here log 3 plus log 4 is equal to log 4 into 3 is 12. So we write log 12 as log 3 plus log 4. Here the above equation is in the form of integral over a to b f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Here the above equation is in the form of f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. Here f of x is sin t, so sin t by sin t plus sin of a is here log 3 and b is here log 4. So sin of a plus b minus t dt. So this can be written as b minus a by 2 directly. So this is the generalized solution, nothing but shortcut. So when the integral is in the form of integral over a to b f of x by f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx, then it can be written as b minus a by 2 directly. So here for the above question 1 by 3 into b minus a, b is here log 4 minus log 3 by 2. So it can be written as 1 by 6 into, here log a minus log b. As we know log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. So it can be written as log of 4 by 3. So the solution for our question is 1 by 6 into log of 4 by 3. So you can see so many questions like this in our test series. So I suggest you to register to my test series. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. Our contact details are given in the description. If you want any information, you can join our Telegram group. The link is given in the description. If you want to register to our test series, the link is given in the description. So utilize this opportunity. Thank you.